You've probably heard it before. Most car mods don't pay off. You throw thousands into custom rims, loud exhausts, or flashy wraps, and then when it's time to sell, the buyer just sees it as something they'll need to fix or replace. But what if you could do the opposite? What if there were smart, clean upgrades that actually added value to your car? Well, they exist, and some of them are way more affordable than you'd think. Whether you drive a Toyota Camry, a Honda Civic, or even something sportier like a Subaru WRX or a Ford Mustang, these upgrades can help your car stand out, sell faster, and even fetch a better price. Let's count down 10 car modifications that can truly increase your vehicle's value, starting from number 10. 10. Window tinting, professionally installed. This one might seem basic, but it makes a difference. A clean, legal window tint not only gives your car a more polished look, it also protects the interior from UV damage and keeps the cabin cooler. Think of a 2015 Honda Accord. Without tint, the seats start to fade, the dashboard cracks, and the car just feels older. Now picture the same car with tasteful tinting. Instantly looks newer, more premium, and better taken care of. Just make sure the tint is done by a professional and follows local laws. Dark, bubbling, or uneven tints are more likely to hurt value than help it. 9. LED or HID headlight upgrades. Upgrading your headlights might not seem like a big deal, but it can actually make a noticeable difference when it's time to sell your car. Most older vehicles come with halogen bulbs, which tend to give off a dim, yellowish light. While they get the job done, they don't offer the brightness or clarity that today's buyers expect. Replacing them with LED or HID headlights instantly gives your car a fresher, more premium look, and it improves nighttime visibility too. Take something like a 2010 Toyota Corolla. With the original halogen headlights, it looks dated. But swap those out for crisp white LEDs, and suddenly the car feels newer and better cared for. It's a small upgrade that can help your car stand out in a crowded used market. Just make sure you install bulbs that are DOT approved and aim them properly. No one wants to be blinded on the road, and poorly installed lights can make a buyer question the rest of the work done on the car. Clean, legal lighting upgrades always add appeal. 8. Quality tires and wheels, OEM or tasteful aftermarket. No one wants to buy a car with bald or mismatched tires. Swapping them for a fresh set from a trusted brand like Michelin, Continental, or Bridgestone adds both value and confidence. If you want to take it a step further, upgrading the wheels can help too, but only if you keep it classy. For example, replacing the standard wheels on a Volkswagen GTI with factory-style alloys in a slightly larger size can make the car look sportier without turning off conservative buyers. Avoid oversized rims or flashy chrome. Simple, clean designs always appeal more to a broader market. 7. Backup camera for older models. Many modern cars already come with backup cameras, but if you drive something like a 2012 Mazda 3 or a first-gen Ford Fusion, you probably don't have one. Adding an aftermarket backup camera with a screen that fits into the dash or rear view mirror is a small investment that can go a long way. Buyers appreciate the added safety, especially new drivers or parents. Just make sure it's integrated well. No messy wiring or screens stuck on with Velcro. Clean installation is what makes this mod worth the money. 6. New infotainment system or Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Let's face it, car buyers today expect tech. If you're selling a 2011 Honda CR-V with a CD player, it's going to feel outdated fast. But if you upgrade the head unit to one that includes Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto, suddenly that same car feels way more modern. It's especially appealing in otherwise reliable vehicles that just lack tech. Just remember, quality matters here. Brands like Pioneer, Kenwood, or Sony make reliable units that fit well and look almost factory. Don't go for cheap screens with glitchy software. A clean upgrade to your infotainment system is one of the easiest ways to boost both interest and price. 5. Performance tires and brake upgrades for enthusiast cars. If you're driving or selling a performance car like a Subaru WRX, Ford Mustang GT, or BMW 3 Series, buyers are going to look at how well it stops and grips. Replacing the factory tires with high-performance summer or all-season tires and upgrading the brake pads and rotors can be a huge selling point. Think about a 2016 WRX with slotted rotors and Michelin Pilot sport tires. That's an instant signal to buyers that the car has been well maintained and upgraded with care. Stay away from race-only setups, though. Those can turn off buyers who plan to daily drive the car. Fourth, suspension upgrades. Mild, not extreme. A well-done suspension upgrade can change everything. It improves handling, ride quality, and even stance. But there's a line. You don't want your car slammed to the ground or bouncing around. For daily drivers like the Toyota 86 or even a Mazda MX-5 Miata, replacing stock shocks with a quality set of coilovers or upgraded dampers like Bilstein or KYB can actually raise the value. Why? Because you're improving how the car drives without sacrificing comfort. Lowering springs, if done right, also work, but keep it subtle. Extreme lowering, camber, or air suspensions usually scare away more buyers than they attract. 3. Full service records and preventive maintenance mods. This might not sound like a traditional mod, but buyers love seeing upgrades that prevent problems. Things like an upgraded oil catch can on a turbocharged engine, like in the Hyundai Veloster N, or a transmission cooler on a towing truck like the Chevy Silverado, show that you cared for your vehicle. Pair these with full service records and receipts, and you've just boosted your car's value in a big way. A buyer is far more likely to pay more for a 2015 Civic Si that has been maintained, upgraded with a few reliability mods, and comes with documentation. 2. Ceramic coating or high-quality paint protection. Most people skip this, but a ceramic coating can protect your paint for years and make your car look showroom fresh. If you're planning to sell a car in the future, spending the money now can pay off big. Take a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek that's been daily driven. With ceramic coating, the paint still shines, it's easier to clean, and there are fewer swirls or scratches. That makes a big impression during test drives and walkarounds. Ceramic coating isn't cheap, but when done professionally, it gives your car a cared-for look that adds real value. It can also help you sell faster in a crowded market. 1. Factory plus upgrades, OEM accessories and trim packages. At the top of the list is the safest, most value-boosting mod you can make. Factory-style upgrades. These are modifications that match the original manufacturer's style and quality. Think OEM roof racks for a Toyota RAV4, a TRD package for a Toyota Tacoma, or a sport appearance package on a Mazda 6. Even things like all-weather floor mats, rear spoilers, or body-colored trim pieces can make a big difference. They're subtle, clean, and feel like they were always part of the car. Buyers love this stuff because it looks good, works well, and doesn't raise any red flags about reliability or performance. These upgrades show that the car was enhanced, not messed with. You're not trying to turn a commuter car into a race car. You're simply improving what's already there. And that's exactly what most used car buyers are looking for. So there you have it. 10 smart car mods that can actually increase your car's value instead of dragging it down. Whether you're driving a daily commuter or a weekend cruiser, these upgrades can help your car stand out for all the right reasons. The key is to keep it clean, tasteful, and functional. Don't go overboard chasing trends. Stick with mods that make your car better, safer, and more enjoyable to drive. If you found this list helpful, hit that like button, share it with your car friends, and subscribe for more content just like this. Got a mod that added real value to your car? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.